The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and
Hey guys, welcome to the Passport Snob YouTube channel. I'm Shakel, and this is my co-host,
Kevina.
And today we have a very special guest, my mother and resident baker, Valen Johnson. So we are ending our RV road trip, and we're here in St. Louis. One of the staples here in St. Louis is the Ooey Gooey butter cake, which I've long known as the blondie, which my mom makes. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taste testing the Ooey Gooey butter cake. We have 3 different types of Ooey Gooey butter cake. We have selected one from a gas station that you can get almost kind of anywhere if you see it. I know we have them in Greenville, South Carolina at a gas station, but I actually picked one up in, I believe, Tulsa, Oklahoma at a gas station. And then here in St. Louis, there is the Park Avenue Coffee Company, where we've selected 3 different kinds of Ooey Gooey butter cakes. They do have a long list of flavors that you can choose from. We'll talk about that a little bit later. And then we have my mom's blondie, or her version of the Ooey Gooey butter cake, that we'll be testing out. We'll be comparing them, saying whose is better, what we like better, and we hope you guys enjoy this video. So we're just gonna get started.
Starting with the gas station?
Let's do it. Okay, guys. I'm gonna wait. Okay, you guys. So this one is a sea salt caramel flavor.
It's moist.
Sugary on the top.
It does have a very flaky, flaky crust on top.
You taste all the flavors.
I love
balance.
sea salt caramel, so this one definitely hits the mark on the sea salt caramel, because everybody doesn't do sea salt caramel very well. So I like that one. Next we'll try from the Park Avenue Coffee Company. We're just gonna try the traditional one first to compare it to the other traditional ones that we've already have here, and then we'll go back and try some of the flavors.
Yeah, theirs is a bit soft. Yep, this one's not easy to grab. It's pretty messy. This one's messy, kind of compared to the rest of them. Okay.
A lot more sugar. A little more crumbly. Not as gooey as.
It's not as gooey, and I was expecting it to be a lot more gooey, like the first one that we had from the gas station. So that's an interesting.
I like the
It was nice.
Yeah, I like that it's a little crunchy too at the bottom with the crust.
I don't know, jury's out for me. I wouldn't say right now that that's my favorite. Maybe I like some of their other flavors better, so we'll come back to.
You want to try one now? Okay.
Just gonna try all 3 flavors.
This is the red velvet one, right? Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah, I know.
Never had a red velvet gooey cake. Tastes real like a red velvet. It has the red velvet flavor. Still that same crunchy, crumbly type. Not as gooey as I would like it to be.
I agree with that. I love the frosting though.
I was just gonna say that it adds that creaminess to it.
I could definitely eat a lot of that.
That's good.
I love the red velvet one.
That was really good.
Well, what other flavor did we go with?
The next flavor is a white chocolate raspberry.
I'm all about that life.
I picked this one specially for Kavina. She actually was not in the store with me when I picked this one. This is how well I know my co-host. I knew she would love this flavor, so I picked this one out especially for her. Whoa, yep. All right. Oh, and I got an end piece on this one. I like end pieces.
Now that's a little more gooey.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't taste the raspberry as much. I mean, I taste like a slight hint of something.
I taste the raspberry. And I even felt like I had a chunk of chocolate chip or something in there.
I feel like there is a chocolate chip in there. You want to taste another one? See if
Yeah.
Let me see what we have here. Gotta give it a.
I definitely like, and it's not strong, which I appreciate because I don't really like raspberry, but it's something about that white chocolate raspberry combination. Oh, I actually want another one of these.
But that's definitely better on the gooey side.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
That one is amazing. They are winning.
But because I don't like raspberry,
Mm-hmm.
that I could eat that because it doesn't
It's
have
mild.
actual raspberry in it.
Yeah.
It just has like the flavor.
So I just want to talk just for a second about the flavors that are at Park Avenue Coffee. Yeah, you guys can go for it. So they did have the traditional. They had a triple chocolate. They have a turtle. They have the red velvet, which we tried. They have a chocolate chip cookie dough. They have an espresso chip. They have white chocolate raspberry, which is another one we tried. They have cinnamon roll, and they have a fudge brownie, Ooey Gooey cake. And I believe they have a lot more flavors, but I think just today when we went to pick up these ones, these were the flavors that they had available today. So definitely impressed with the red velvet and the white chocolate raspberry are my favorites. So not so much the traditional, which is pretty interesting that we don't like that one.
Yeah.
So next we are going to try my mom's, which I grew up on. My mom used to make this all the time. So when I found out that we were coming to St. Louis and this was a thing, I was like, Mom, you got to make some so we can compare the taste of this one to the others. So here we go. I feel like I'm at home.
Out of everything, this is the creamiest. So she grew up on this. I've known her since elementary school, but this is my first time having this. Ooey Gooey cake. Well, even period. First time having Ooey Gooey cake, especially having mom's. It's creamier. Like, it's creamier out of all of them that I've had. It's not sweet. I like that it's crunchy. You got the crunch at the bottom that I liked with Park Avenue, but then she also has nuts in it, which gives it an extra crunch. So I feel like she's cheating a little bit, but
Well, they have what you call it, chips in there.
Well, yeah, that's true. That's true.
I added my little extra.
Yep, and that did add the crunch that I do like. So,
And Mom, haven't you made these with chocolate chips before?
I have.
Yeah,
Yes.
I feel like we've had chocolate chips in these before.
Yes.
So there's a wide variety of these to try. We've pretty much enjoyed all of these, some more than others, and we were surprised that the one that you get from the gas station actually compares very, very well with some of the other ones that we tasted. So you can't go wrong. If you're ever in St. Louis, definitely stop by the Park Avenue Coffee Company.
And their coffee is good.
Yep. My mom had the coffee. That's her coffee cup.
She's very picky with coffee.
So we hope that you guys like this video. We hope you guys get a chance to check out an Ooey Gooey butter cake. Any final thoughts, Kavina?
No, let's wrap this up so I can finish.
Alrighty. Well, we're going to get out of here and we're going to try out some more stuff, make some more videos for you guys. As always, thanks for following us. Be sure to check out all of our social media on any platform at Passport Snob, as well as be sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. I definitely said that wrong.
Yeah, it's okay. Oh, you got the clicker.